Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking. We have been talking about the crown chakra, the most important chakra for spiritual practitioners. We've spoken about what it is. Now let's speak about some of the discomforts the disbalance of this chakra can bring into the body. The problems that this chakra brings ranges from physical to mental to spiritual, and it also changes the quality of life. Your quality of life, believe it or not, is directly proportional to the quality of the crown chakra. Why? Because if your crown chakra is disbalanced or is overwhelmed or is underperforming, you'll start having neurological problems and headaches. And once you have migraines and headaches, nothing in your life can go right, can it? People who also complain about sciatica and other nerve diseases can also be prone to a weakened crown chakra. An overactive crown chakra brings about insomnia, a feeling of frustration, wizziness in the head, and because of insomnia, because you can't sleep all night, you start having sensitive psychosomatic problems, which in the long run, which in old age, can sum up to be bigger problems such as the Alzheimer's disease. That was some of the physical discomforts the disbalance of the crown chakra can bring. However, the more frustrating problems are mental. You might be the best skilled person. You might have once upon a time been the friendliest in your friends group, but now you feel distant. Now you feel disconnected. Now you feel lonely. You don't want to interact with people. This can be a symptom that the crown chakra or its dis-ease is affecting your mental body. So many of the Facebook pages and Instagram pages promote that if you start spending time with yourself, if you like loneliness more, if you like being alone more, you have found your peace of mind, your kundalini might have been activated, or your crown chakra might have been activated, or your third eye chakra might have been activated. But there are signs of cautions to be followed in these conditions. While you liking more alone time can actually mean good, if that is followed, if that follows in excess, if you simply start loathing communicating with people, now you're on the other end of the extremist's case. Because human beings have always been and should always be social animals. And while your alone time is absolutely necessary, it is also necessary to socialize with others, because human beings grow with interactions and communication by expanding their horizon, by sharing their experiences. If your crown chakra dysfunctions, you might constantly feel discontentment with yourself. You might be living the life that you've always wanted. You might have the job or the relationship that you've always wanted, but still you feel not content with life. You feel like you want to sway. You feel like you want to go away from the track you're moving in. You feel like something else might be more exciting. You always feel like the grass might be greener on the other side. You might be confused about the direction you should be taking. Behold and beware, because this discontentment eventually leads to continuous discontentment, which in turn leads to mental depression. And the more depressed you are, the more difficult it is to connect to yourself spiritually. Hence, before these signs of depression arrive, or even before these signs of discontentment arrive, you ought to make sure that you acknowledge the existence of your crown chakra and acknowledge the power that it holds upon your entire body system. The physical body is not the only body that you have. Just because you can't see your emotional, electric, auric, etheric, kinetic bodies doesn't mean they do not exist. All you have to do is acknowledge them first. Acknowledge your crown chakra and work in order to make it strong, make it more active, make it more happening. You'll see that all your problems in life, all your physical life or your spiritual life, they eventually start disappearing. So this was a video on the symptoms of a disbalanced crown chakra. If this video has helped you in any way, do not forget to like this video. You can place your questions and your comments down in the comments section below. And if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to press that subscribe button in order to be a part of a new, intelligent, sensitive, empathic human beings. New generation, Generation X. I'll see you next time.